Morning everyone, I hope everybody is doing fine. So we had started off with permutation combinations chapters. Permutation has already been done. We had already done combinations introduction. Now we were doing in some different numericals for combinations. Okay, so I hope you have watched previous videos to get the introductions of the combinations. So now we had already completed the question number 5. So we will be doing question number 5 was a homework, so people who can't do it, just go through what I'm trying to say right now. So you have to find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls from 6 red balls, 5 white balls, 5 blue balls. In selection of each should contain 3 balls of each color. Okay, so you have to select total of 9 balls and you should be having 3 of each color. That means 3 red, 3 white, 3 blue. So from red we can choose 6 3 3, which means we're choosing 3 red balls from 6 red balls. 5C3 implies that 5 red balls, 3 red balls, 3 white balls from 5, and 5C3 again implies 5 blue balls from 3 blue balls from total of 5. So end of the time we have to multiply all this because the condition was still going on, it was dependent. So I believe you know how to solve NCR. It has been done in the first and the second part, and overall solving it we get 2000 number of ways in which we can select 9 balls in which 3 are of same color. That's it for question number 5. Make sure you write these statements, 3 statements for 3 different situations. Pause the video to note it down. Now moving on to question number 6. Determine the number of 5 cards combination out of deck of 52 cards if there is exactly one ace in each combination, which means you'll be choosing 5 cards, okay, out of which you should be having one ace. And how many aces do we have in 52 cards combination? We have 1 2 3 4 aces. Yeah, 4 aces. So we'll be choosing 4C1, means that out of 4 aces you'll be choosing one ace, and then leftover card is 48, out of which you have to choose 4 cards because you have chosen already one card and total you have to choose in 5 cards, so 48C4. So you have to multiply because you have to total in all pick up 5 cards, and you have already picked up 4 and 1 individually. That's why you have to multiply, because the condition is dependent. Dependent basically means the condition is not over. After the picking up of 4 cards you have to pick up another 1 card. That tells you that the condition is dependent. Obviously it's dependent, no? Because after picking up 4 cards, total of 5 cards is required, so you have picked up only 4 cards, so you are still depending on that thing to get in one more card. That's it. Okay, now 48C4 can be solved in the following way as written, and I believe you know how to solve it. Calculations are of your matter in class 11. So 778320 is the number of ways you can select one ace and 4 different other cards. Okay, pause the video to note it down. Now question number 7, I'll just explain you how to do it. You have to do it in the class. Okay, in how many ways one can select cricket team out of 11 from 17 players, in which only 5 players can bowl. If in each team we should have 4 exact bowlers. It basically means out of 11 teams we should be having 4 bowlers, but in the 17 member squad you have 5 players who can exactly bowl. So you decide how many players you're going to pick up from bowlers, and obviously leftovers will be batsmen or all-rounder depending on whichever team you select. But in this question they haven't specified it should be a batsman or an all-rounder, so you can choose any leftovers. Okay, this is how the question has been explained. Now you have to do it on your own. Okay, you have to submit it in the class. So that's it for today's video. I'll be keeping it short because your exams are going on. Okay, and I want you to do well in your exams. That is why the pressure will be laid off and your syllabus will be quite over before time. Okay, so that's it for today's class. Make sure you submit question number 7 as uh, classwork only. Okay, classwork, make sure. So that's it for today's video. Thank you class, have a nice day. If you have any problem, you can definitely text me in WhatsApp and wait for me to reply, or in Google Classroom I'll definitely revert people back. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye bye. Yes.